Shooting today with the DJI Osmo Action camera. It's the first generation model, and I have to use a frame with a tripod. It doesn't have a magnetic clip mount system. I like the way the DJI Osmo Action 3, the Action 4, and Action 5 Pro today is used. It's an easier to use camera. Go through the settings and try to set it up. You don't have much manual control. But with the Action 3, the Action 4, and Action 5 Pro, you got more manual and auto controls of Pro. I'm just happy I got the camera to take out once in a blue moon to use. If I go out in a low light situation, this is a foul light situation. No sun, cloud, and not a nice day. That's where the Action 5 Pro, the Action 4, and the Action 3, but not the Action 1, can do a great job. But back then, that was what we had that did a great job in our arsenal, our gear, the camera we had with us. You know that saying, the best camera that you have with you is what you're shooting with. And I got a smartphone. It's always in my pocket. No, we're not talking about that commercial where we use these phrases. We're talking about what we have in hand. And I don't have my smartphone in hand. I got to go back to get it because it's the best thing I got in my pocket. We come a long way. I don't have to use a third-party adapter by Sonova. I basically put it on a piece of wood or a piece of plastic, drilled some holes, and made it my DJI cradle. You could ask DJI for the DJI Mic 2, make us a cradle. You're never going to see that happen. But you see, already out on the market is a DJI Mic Mini, and it's got its own little cradle that you place in, but it's a little too light for my taste. I'm saving up my pennies for a DJI Mic Mini again. Should I get just the standalone pearl white, or all the way up to the whole kit, shebang and caboodle? I want to get one in white, but they don't make it. If you're in the hobby, you know what to do. You go find Ritz dye. Boil up the water and put all the plastics in, and you got your own custom colors. It's just like a DJI camera. You don't like the color of the camera? You can find the skin, put a piece of plastic film on it. Will it look professional? I don't know. I think it'll look as good as you're going to put it on. And over time, not going to be great.